Alhambra, a great fortress palace, crowns a hill overlooking the city of Granada in Spain. It is called the Alhambra. The Alhambra was built by the Moors who, for centuries, held the southern part of the Spanish peninsula. It was the last stronghold of the Moors in Spain. The forces of King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain captured the Alhambra in 1492, the year Columbus made his famous voyage. The name Alhambra means the red. The building was given this name because of the red bricks used in building it. The Alhambra is enormous. It covers 35 acres. Work on it began in 1248. It went on for more than 100 years. Inside the building, there are beautiful halls and courtyards and fountains. The walls are decorated with delicate carvings and inlays of silver and mother of pearl. There are many mosaics, pictures made of bits of colored stone. The Alhambra is probably the finest example of Moorish art in Europe. The Spanish conquerors badly damaged the Alhambra. Over the years, fires and a violent earthquake also did great damage to it. But some of the damage has been repaired. The Alhambra now has much of its old splendor.